The Clean Beauty Podcast has another delivery, and we're going to do an unboxing together. This is from One Ocean Beauty. Very excited to open this because I have an idea of what's in store. Look good, feel good, do good. Oceanbeauty.com. OneOceanBeauty.com. So cool. Look at this gorgeous little card. It has my name on it. Hi Cassandra, thanks so much for thinking of us. Let us know how you like this product and we will follow up with the podcast. Yay! Cool, this is amazing. Thank you so much. I like this insert. It's kind of cool. But, I mean, there's a lot of space and just one little thing in here, so I wish they would have sent it in a smaller box, but that's okay. This is a replenishing deep sea moisturizer formulated with high-performance blue biotechnology. Very exciting. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I love it. Ooh. Smells nice. I love the top. I'm definitely going to just keep this. So pretty. Nature and science. Proven effective using natural, sustainable, biodiverse, active marine ingredients. Non-GMO, no parabens, no sulfates, phthalates, PEGs, nanoparticles, mineral oil, or synthetic fragrance. Right up my alley. And I love this. It says see change, be change. Very cool. Super excited to try this. And thank you to One Ocean Beauty for sending this over. Be sure to go check out our interview over on the Clean Beauty Podcast on iTunes, Stitcher, or anywhere that a podcast is found. And then also go find me on Instagram at Cassandra McClure. See you guys soon.